Hello everyone, this is my review of Tru Performance Seltzer Variety Pack, and I have to say, it exceeded my expectations. As someone who enjoys sparkling water, but is often put off by overly sweetened beverages, these seltzers hit the mark perfectly. The flavors each made with real fruit juice are vibrant and refreshing, offering a natural taste that doesn't feel artificial at all. What I love most is the absence of added sugar. It's so refreshing to find an energy drink that doesn't rely on sweeteners to mask flavors. Instead, the natural sweetness from the fruit juice shines through, making each sip enjoyable without the guilt. In terms of performance, I've been using these seltzers as a pre-workout boost, and I've noticed a significant difference. The natural caffeine gives me just the right amount of energy to power through my workouts without the jitters that often come with other energy drinks. It feels more balanced and sustainable. I hope this review helps.